Technology should support your business, not get in the way of it. But for many teams, IT problems quietly take over the day. An office manager handles password resets, vendor calls, and Wi-Fi complaints alongside her actual job. A small IT team gets buried under user requests while important upgrades keep getting pushed back. Todd Long, Director of Technology at Sterling Ideas, says it clearly. Handing off infrastructure lets your best people focus on new revenue, not just keeping the lights on. That is the real value of IT infrastructure outsourcing. It is not only about saving money. It is about reclaiming time, focus, and momentum. Some businesses need a partner to run the whole technology operation. Others already have capable in-house staff, but need reinforcement, escalation expertise, backup during overloads, and the right tools and systems to work inside. Outsourcing can reduce operational headaches, shift routine maintenance off your team's plate, and support security and compliance through services like compliance monitoring, network security, anti-phishing, and managed data backup. It can also help your infrastructure scale as your business grows, whether you need fully managed, remote-only, or co-managed support. The article also walks through how to approach outsourcing wisely. Audit your current spending, identify where your team is tied up, define what success looks like, choose a partner with relevant experience, and keep your team informed from the start. If IT fire drills keep pulling attention from the work that actually moves your business forward, read the full article. And add this to your playlist so you can come back to it when you are ready to rethink your infrastructure.